So I'm here to go over some examples of winter pruning. Winter pruning is January, February, and March. For an example, this crepe myrtle right here. The rule of thumb is you really don't need to bring a crepe myrtle down, or prune it, should I say. If you're going to prune it, the max you want to bring it down is a third, maybe a little bit more, but you don't want to do this crepe myrtle where you see it in neighborhoods. It's where it's reduced down by half and it's just got big ugly knobs. And then let's switch over here to the limelight hydrangeas. This is something that you'd want to prune in February because these bloom off of new wood. Unlike the mophead hydrangeas that are here on the right, they bloom off of second year wood. The only thing you would want to do with these is remove dead wood and remove any leaf litter that's in the middle of the crowns. So with that said, let me show you a couple more examples. Some of the plants that you do not want to prune, for example, this is a star magnolia. And if you see, it's deciduous, but it has a lot of buds on here. And you can see that it's February and it's already blooming. Another plant that you don't want to be pruning because you'll remove flowers is this azalea right here. If you notice that this has a flowering bud on here, if you prune this now, or if you prune this in February, you'd be cutting off this bloom, so you wouldn't be getting any blooms. Unless it was an encore azalea, which bloom off of 2 or 3 times a year, that's a little different.